In Laravel, a single action controller, also called an invocable controller, is a controller class that contains only one action method, the invoke method. Why use single action controller? They are useful when your controller only needs to handle one responsibility. Some advantages: single responsibility principle. If a controller is meant to do just one job, example, show a user profile, store feedback, handle a webhook, a single action controller keeps the code clean and focused. Number 2, better readability and organization. Instead of adding methods in a big multi-action controller, you create separate invocable controllers. Each file has a clear purpose, making it easier for teams to navigate, easier to reuse. Since it's just a class with one method, you can inject dependencies via the constructor, making it more testable and reusable. Now let's start creating a single action controller in practice. First, create the controller using the command php artisan make controller send email controller dash invocable. This will generate a new file inside the app http controllers folder, which you can open and review. In the generated controller file, you will notice that only one method is created, the invoke method. What is invoke method? In PHP, the invoke method is a special magic method that allows an object to be called as if it were a function. Laravel takes advantage of this feature. When you register a controller as invocable, Laravel automatically calls the invoke method when the route is accessed. Example, class send email controller extends controller public function invoke return email has been sent. And in your route get sent email class name. When you visit send email, Laravel will run the invoke method in send email controller. Why only one method? Because the controller is meant to handle a single action, single responsibility instead of creating multiple methods like index, store, update, etc. Laravel makes it clear that this controller will only do one thing, whatever you put inside invoke method. Now you can see that this route is being called and it displays the message that was echoed in the controller. Today we have completed learning about single action controllers. In the next chapter we will explore another controller feature, resource controllers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.